Hi, I'm Ali Patterson from FinTech Finance, and this is RBR's Branch Transformation 2015.
What's important to us, we're looking at the whole of the processes that are involved in banking within the branch. So we're hoping that our solutions that we have on show here are going to be able to provide customers with new ideas about how to transform their branch. Well, we're always delivering new products. So here's some of them we have on show here, but there are others as well. So we have a lot of new retail products that we're bringing on to retailers as well as banks, because retailers are also having the same sorts of difficulties in the management of cash and the costs involved in that.
This is a self-service cash deposit and recycling system.
Okay.
It's deployed in branch to offer both personal customers and merchant users the ability to automatically deposit cash into their account.
Well, one of the reasons for being here is we wanted to show the results of a lot of research that we've done, which really talks about the omni-channel experience. So rather than treating the branch in isolation, where does the branch fit within the total customer journey? Using digital channels as well as obviously using the branch.
We have to make the branch fit. In some cases, it may be a high volume branch. A lot of automation. The automation could be pointed at deposits for small and medium businesses. It could be pointed at bill pay. But the right automation in that case to get the flow through. It might be a situation, I'll use a simple statistic here. India has, I think, 650,000 villages. 3% have a bank branch. So for them, a fit branch might just simply be a piece of automation that allows them to receive social benefits, allows them to do peer-to-peer payments, get cash in and out of a digital system so it can be redeemed and received by somebody else somewhere else.
So branches are still a strategically important part of a bank's distribution channel, with a lot of focus around redefining customer journeys and also driving operational efficiency. So Wincor Wincor have been focused around or been at the centre of innovation for a number of years now. So focused on things like branch location and branch design, through to redefined staff journeys using things like mobile tellers, through to then the customer journey, so looking at new UIs and focus on the integration of new elements of technology, so mobile and things like the contactless use of mobile for self-service devices.
This is not only the passbook printer. You can see the huge box behind it. This is passbook feeding, passbook issuing unit.
So we've got top executives from some of the central organisations in India. So we've got RBI, the central bank represented, MPCI, who are one of the largest payment processors in India. We've also got a speaker from IBA, Indian Banks Association. We've also got the European perspective, so something a little bit different to the Indian market. We've got European banking groups, Santander and UniCredit coming along sharing a couple of case studies. So they've really got the innovative kind of spectrum of all the branch transformation and the multi-channel kind of approach to ATMs and making sure that everything works together.
And I think when you look at the kinds of transactions people want to do by themselves, say on the internet or on an ATM, right? Those are transactions that you do regularly because you remember how you did it. You might use your ATM, the ATM 2 or 3 times a month, right? So you remember how to do it. You don't particularly want somebody to help you with that. And in fact, if somebody did come and say, "Can I help you?" you'd probably say, "Well, you know what? I know how to do this. Please don't bother me." On the other hand, something you don't do very often, even if the transaction is not a very complicated transaction, from the perspective of a computer science guy looking at that, right? From a customer perspective, you don't do it often. You want somebody to help you with it, especially if it's something quite, if it's a big decision or it's something pretty unusual like sending money abroad, that sort of thing.
So in developing economies, there's still the great need for cash. So you come to the most popular channel right now is the ATM.
Yeah.
We can't do away with the ATM no matter what you try to do. We've tried to implement different, in my bank, we've tried to implement different systems. We've done kiosks, we've done tablets.
where they think the branch is moving, and actually it's quite incredible to see how aligned we all are in terms of what we need to be focusing upon to create that best customer experience. I mean, the challenges are known, it's finding the best way through them.
For us, it's really good opportunity to be here. Like, it's very happy to be here. It's our actually second time to be in RBR events. From last year, we were here for the first time for branch transformation events.
It's the fastest coin sorter around. With the large bin, there are a lot of coin deposit machines on the market, but no machine has got the capacity that we've got. So it's very much for bulk coin rather than just deposit coin. We've got customers that might have deposited 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 coins in one go, and it's done in a matter of minutes.
You guys at Shima promoting about yourselves here at the RBR event?
Well, we represent an innovative company, a 60 years old company, and we focus on cash recycling, cash deposit solutions. Our new arrival is our Cashier 8800, which is the answer about to merge the self-service environment and the teller environment together in one system to provide more services to banking customers.
It's an exciting day today for NCR. So we are 120 years old in the UK today, so we're celebrating with some cakes and balloons, so very exciting for us.
This machine enables you as an end customer to deposit your bulk coins in one take, 24 hours, 7 days a week.
Well, this year we had over 600 delegates from around the world, and it's been growing year on year. Next year again we're going to have a wide range of key topics relevant to all industry players, banks, IADs, and as I said, the hardware, software providers, networks, service providers will all be there.